Today I wanted to talk about keeping your meals simple. I've got my big bowl lunch here, 3 ingredients, okay? I've got 6 chopped bananas in here, and then what I did is I took 4 bananas plus a nice hachia persimmon, blended that together. That's my sauce. So I've got a total of 10 bananas, 1 persimmon, and I've got some coconut flakes on top there. And that's going to be my lunch. 1,000 calories or more. A lot of sugar, someone may say. Yes, but if, the thing is, remember, every cell in our body is fueled by simple sugars. Fruit is very easy to digest. So you're not spending a lot of energy digesting. Okay, and by making this simple meal, I don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I want to spend time doing things, okay? So this is an ideal meal, and if some people may say, no, I could never eat that much fruit or sugar. And I have to tell you this. It's because you're eating too much dietary fat. Fat and sugar do not mix. You don't want to be on a high fat diet. It's going to lead to problems long term. Okay, so this is the kind of, live living food, not a cooked dead animal. This is going to be much healthier for you. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Please share it with your friends. All the best to your health success.